this tutorial, we will go through how to create a geofence, make a geofence event, and trigger an alarm when moving outside of the geofence. To get started, go to the Geofence tab, which by default is found in the lower panel. In the drop-down menu, you can choose which kind of geofence you want to create. The circular geofence can be moved around on the map and rescaled by dragging the border. For more precise tweaking, enter your values into the text boxes and deselect the field to see the changes. The polygon geofence lets you draw an area on the map. You can left-click to add a new vertex point, and to finish your geofence you can either click on the first vertex or right-click to close the selection. By dragging the large squares you can move it to a new position, and by dragging the small square you will create a new vertex point. To remove a point, right-click on a large square. The latest addition to geofences is called a route geofence. If the route geofence does not show up, it means that you have to update your application to patch version 4 and enable edit route geofence. Route geofences are primarily used to draw a fence along a specific road to ensure that a vehicle stays on the route. This is exactly what we will do right now. I will create a route geofence to make sure that vehicle 1 stays on the road it is on right now. Select the route geofence and left-click on the map to start drawing the fence, and finish by double-clicking where you want the fence to end. For the purpose of this video, I will change the radius to something smaller, like 50 meters. In general, you should choose a larger radius to avoid false alarms. Give your geofence a name and then click on the Advanced drop-down. In order to attach an event to this geofence, we need to tag it. If you are unfamiliar with events, you should have a look at that video before continuing. I will create a new tag for this geofence and call it Route 1. Make sure it is selected and click on Save.